These videos are presented for educational purposes, intended to highlight the potential consequences of unsafe driving practice. They are not intended to sensationalize or glorify accidents, but rather to promote awareness and responsible behavior on the road. Remember that safety on the road is of paramount importance. Obey traffic laws, use seatbelts, avoid distractions, and drive responsibly.
Careless driver turning left blindly is that you obviously don't want to miss late night. Broad shoulders came in handy for this driver to avoid a head-on collision with the idiot who was overtaking other vehicle absolutely recklessly. Idiot driver was going way too fast and caused an accident, damaging at least 3 cars. Luckily, all the drivers were alright. The bad driver couldn't stay in his lane while turning and slightly hit the oncoming car, and this was enough for the car to overturn. A man was turning right and he definitely didn't expect a wrong-way driver here. There was no chance to avoid a collision. White Ford driver doesn't seem to understand what a double turn lane is, and he is certainly to blame for this accident.
Put hydroxychloroquine. Because hydroxychloroquine is like, it became connected inexorably to COVID misinformation. Right.
A man thought he was far more important than everyone else stopped at the red light, so now he is paying for the damage.
Really good job, you fucking idiot. Immunosuppressive drug and anti-parasite to treat and prevent malaria.
A red light runner expected to pass at the last second, but his stupid action led to the accident. A man lost control on the highway due to rain and maybe his bald tires. He was lucky not to get hit by other vehicles.
Jesus Christ, man.
A video from Florida. I wonder how such drivers get their license. An accident from Milwaukee. A man had no ride and not enough skill to drive like this and ended up hitting a wall. No serious injuries. A driver was going too fast in the rainy weather and lost control of his expensive car. It's a true miracle he didn't destroy his car and didn't hurt himself. some drivers just think they own the first few seconds of a red light. It's hard to say what was this idiot thinking about. Maybe he was drunk. Anyway, 3 vehicles were damaged because of his stupidity. What a bad timing for a dumb U-turn. How couldn't he see a police near him? An awful driver took a turn too fast and hit a stop sign. And what he did next? Sure, just ran away. Another idiot made a turn on high speed and nearly caused a head-on collision. An idiot in white car must be thankful a camera had a good brakes and reaction. Maybe this dummy thinks that lane is his personal one. They say bad drivers never miss their exit.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for not to miss new videos on our channel. See you soon, friends.